Looks awesome. Good job. Fire. Tinfoil dinners. Yummy.
Okay. Mom, can you push us?
Yeah.
Come on, buddy.
Do you want me to push you? Oh, peekaboo. Oh my goodness. These are way too much fun.
I'll flip again.
Yo, everyone say hey.
Hey.
Cozy, say hey. I can't see you.
Camping.
Oh, sorry, this way. What are you eating, Coz?
Strawberries.
Okay. And you? You need to eat meat too, sis. What do we make?
Tinfoil dinners. I had you make the meat when we were home though, and put like chopped up jalapenos and onions inside the meat and seasoned it, and it is so good.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you, Mom. Thanks, Mars, for making the fire.
Yum.
Some were still hungry after tinfoil dinner, or some didn't eat it at all. Like this one. These two ate theirs, but they're still hungry.
Is it done? Oh, and wait, look. There's green. There's green fire. I see it.
Do you see the colors?
Right here.
Wow, Winnie. How is that?
Look.
Oh my, what's inside of that?
It's black. What's this?
It's chocolate.
Mom, oh, look at this.
On fire or golden brown?
Gosh.
The perfect s'more.
Is it though? Let's
Yeah,
see.
it's Reese's.
Oh wow.
Can I count, Winnie? And you go hide? Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Winnie, I'm out here.
You gotta go find her.
I already know where she is.
You do?
He's too there. Not yet. 1, 2, 3. We're done. I got you. I already saw her. Oh, it's done.
Oh, did you get it to work?
Hello, world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go.
Good morning, Cosette.
Got that smile upon my face, cause there's excitement in the chase.
There's a little girl in here still sleeping. There she
Yeah, I'm
is.
going for the ride.
still
By myself, I am alive. And I saw
All right, we've got fire pancakes. How is it, Cozy?
Okay.
It is. Check out this pancake.
draw me in, cause I want more.
Winnie, it's going up your arm?
No, it's not.
Winnie, did Walter bring that back for you?
You put a BB in your nose?
No, I had bullet in my nose. Another one in my nose too.
Oh. You put 2 of them up there?
Yeah.
Oh, she's serious. We went to Michael's before we came,
Purple.
and the kids got some little boxes. Well, me and Cozy picked them out. I love that, Walt. Our annual Porter, watermelon. Wait, not yet. Oh, she just got some juice. We're still good. Wait, oh, they can't even contain themselves. We better start. On your mark, get set, go. You can eat now. We are going to float the South Fork Ogden River, and we found a place to get in. It's this day use area. And yes, I can hear you. We want to float for about 30 minutes, so we're gonna drive 10 minutes down the road and park Drew's car, and then I'll come back in my car and throw our one inflatable raft in here as well. And then of course we have those ones. Are you guys excited to float the river?
Yeah.
Winnie, are you ready?
Get those rapids.
What are we doing?
Okay. Get in and I'm gonna push you out there. Wash your feet off.
Cozy, what are we doing right now?
Mars, I'm gonna push you too. Hey,
Yeah,
guys,
down
you're
what?
gonna be a little bit ahead of us.
A
but don't
river.
get too far.
Yeah!
Remember, you're in control.
Marsden, are you ready, dude?
Yep.
Start. Hey, buddy.
Oh, hey.
You
Thanks for waiting for
too?
us.
Yeah, good job, guys. You want me to help you with the other one?
No, you're good.
Yeah? Winnie, it's so hot. The water feels good, huh? Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Oh no!
Okay, there's a rock.
Oh, there's a rock. Oh, it's okay to hit a rock. We just bump into it and then we slide back up. We're good, girls.
Hey, you're good to start. Try and stay forward, Mom.
We're heading for a branch here and the girls are gonna hit it. Okay. Oh, you're gonna hit it.
Did that on purpose. Grab it.
I'm excited to see our orange flag. Oh man. There's a branch right there.
Hey, we made it.
Oh my gosh.
One, two's behind us. Don't do this.
Yeah, we like cruised through it though. Hey boys! This is awesome. He's so mad right now. He just hit me in the
Your
head.
face. Oh, look at these rapids. These are pretty intense, I'm not gonna lie. People put like...
There's the boys way up there. I don't even. Woo! Woo! High five, Dad. Just kidding.
Yep,
I'm just kidding.
Oh no!
Rapids! Ah! No, we're good. We're good. You're okay. We're stuck. We're okay. There she goes. Look at her. Look at that girl. Go, Cozy! What do you think, Winnie? Oh, you turned around! Oh no! Go, stay forward, stay forward. Go to the right, go to the right. Yeah, Coz! You're amazing! Look, Marsden's in a little pool over there. That's a nice little spot. Oh no.
Hang on tight.
You're okay, Cozy. Just keep going. You're doing great. We're coming.
Maybe. Uh-oh. I will laugh so hard.
I got it. Stop. This is the camping spot right here.
What's that? Okay, jump in.
They'll see the flag. They know it.
Okay, we don't.
This is what I like. This right here. How you doing, Walter? Thumbs up, Walt. You're not comfortable with her kayaking?
No.
Why?
Because she can't.
Do you remember that she kayaked the Provo River?
Yes.
almost forgot. I knew she could. And we made it to the orange flag. We put our extra 10 flag there so we knew where our car was parked. There he goes. We're just taking this little part at the end of ours. It's really fun. It's our extra 10 flag.
I washed it off.
You washed it off?
Yeah.
Thank you. We had apples and waters available.
Mom, look,
so
it's
we get energy and stuff.
It's a
Food for
tornado.
the kids. Wow, what tornado. We went kayaking down the river and then we came to Kazi. BB's in your nose. Okay, I feel like we have to catch up. Dad, so she had the second BB in her mouth, in her nose the whole day. And then, how did she get it out just now? Oh. Did you get it out on your own?
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you. Yay. So we're gonna check out this spot. We'll see if we could drop in for the river next time right here.
Apparently not.
I don't think so.
Hey, there's a
But we ended up having to four-wheel back up. Okay, see ya.
change it out.
Watermelon isn't that good.
Come on,
Yeah.
Cozy. Not the best watermelon? Makes it a little harder. How's it going, Winnie?
Then